Hello, welcome to another IELTS video. Today we're looking at the writing answer booklet that you will see when you engage your IELTS examination. And I thought we could just look at the different parts of it so that you could be familiar with it before you get into your exam. Now I just want to make clear that these files are available from IELTS.org, and there are plenty of other resources there too that you might be interested in looking at before you engage the test. So on the screen here is the writing answer booklet, and it's nothing too much to it really. There's just spaces for your name, the center number that you're taking the exam at, your candidate number, and the date. You check which module you're taking, whether it's the academic or general training, and then you're given space to respond to your task 1 IELTS question, and little space at the bottom for the examiner to identify themselves. And then the second page, you are also given space to complete your task 1 response. And at the bottom of this page, you can see that there's a little bit of space for the examiner to mark certain qualities of the response. And I will zoom in here a little bit. And you can see on the right hand side here, the examiner is given some space to identify whether the response was under length, which would be below 150 words in this case, whether the response is off topic, the number of words that are present in the response, whether the response was a memorized response, any other sort of penalty, and whether the response is illegible at parts, which means that it cannot be read because it was written too messily. And if we look at the other side here, there are some areas. Different sections refer to task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, and grammar. And this is where the examiner would mark your level in each of these 4 areas. Okay, so now following this, you're given space for your task 2 response. So as you can see, you're given a full page and a second page, and at the bottom of this page you can see the same set of criteria that's available for the examiner to use when commenting on your work. So I hope that video helps to make you a little bit more familiar with what your test paper is going to look like when you get into the examination.